Welcome to this incredible home located in the community of Corona Village in Chandler, Arizona. With nearly 2,900 square feet, living is easy in this beautifully upgraded house. There's a separate living room and family room, which is open to the kitchen, making it ideal for entertaining and relaxation. The upgraded chef's kitchen includes an island, quartz countertops, double ovens, soft close cabinets, and plenty of storage space. Downstairs, you'll find a large bedroom and a full bathroom. All 4 bedrooms upstairs are generously sized. Relax after a long day in the owner's suite, which boasts a soaking tub, walk-in shower, double sinks with lots of counter space, and a walk-in closet. Out back, you'll feel as if you've just stepped into paradise. You'll discover the refreshing, sparkling pool and beautiful landscaping with pavers. This is the perfect space to spend the warm Arizona summers. If you're looking for luxury living without the price tag, this home is for you. I'm Dawn Forkenbrock with eXp Realty, and if you have any questions or you'd like to schedule a private tour, contact me today. You can find me online at dawnsellsazhomes.com.